Okay friends, in this session I'm going to talk about the second episode of the supermarket. In this lesson, I'm hoping to discuss the rest of the items you find there, like dairy products, fish, meat, and the rest of the consumer items. Welcome back to the channel to learn Italian. Hope this will help you to do your shopping easier and develop your vocabulary. If you find interesting of this episode, please do like us and subscribe to the channel. Leave us a comment below about what's the most interesting food you found in the superstore. Okay, now let's move to the lesson. Butter.
Il burro. Il burro.
Margarine.
La margarina. La margarina.
Milk.
Il latte. Il latte.
Cooking cream.
Panna da cucina. Panna da cucina.
Ricotta cheese.
La ricotta. La ricotta.
Mozzarella cheese.
La mozzarella. La mozzarella.
Grated cheese.
Il formaggio grattugiato. Il formaggio grattugiato.
Fresh cream.
La panna fresca. La panna fresca.
Spreadable cheese.
Il formaggio spalmabile. Il formaggio spalmabile.
Gorgonzola.
Il gorgonzola. Il gorgonzola.
Yogurt.
Lo yogurt. Lo yogurt.
Whole milk.
Il latte intero. Il latte intero.
Philadelphia.
Il Philadelphia. Il Philadelphia.
Thank you for watching. Hope today's lesson clear to you. If you have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do like and subscribe. Leave us a comment and click the notification bell. You will be notified as soon as we upload new videos.